All right, let's talk about our universal wall fitting and our filter screen. Now, this universal wall fitting, this part threads into the wall. I got it out here just for demonstration. But if you look inside there, you got two little knobbies. See those little knobbies? Well, this has got two little grooves. So when this goes into the wall, you turn it and you'll feel it kind of fall into place. Then you push and turn until you can't turn anymore, pull it out, and you've locked it into place. Now, if you have a filter screen here and you have the inline screen, get rid of this filter screen. The purpose of that filter screen is to catch debris. Now, they didn't used to have the inline screen. If you don't have an inline screen, then you need this one, but you need to check that occasionally. Pull this out of the wall, see if you have any debris in that screen, because on these screens, if you're getting debris into these screens, that means you have a problem in your filter. Address the cause, stop treating the symptom. If your debris is getting in here, you need to figure out why are you getting debris in there, and it's most likely a filter issue. If debris is getting past the debris screen, it will get into the cleaner, clog up the cleaner, and cause you a lot of problems. So you want to make sure this is in good shape. If it's blown out, torn, or anything like that, you want to make sure you replace it. So you want to make sure that you only got one, and this is the preferred one because you don't even have to pull it out of the wall to check it. Now this is a pressure relief system. You can tighten this and loosen this, but guys, this is pretty much set to factory. These booster pumps only put out so much water, and the amount of water they put out is made to be the proper amount for these cleaners. So rarely do you have issues in here where you need to be adjusting this. But if it is too much pressure, you will have water spraying out of here, and it's meant to do that. Don't think this is broke. If your cleaner is moving properly, and you should be getting about 30-32 revolutions per minute on your wheels, then this is fine. Stop adjusting this, stop messing with this. This is made to allow excess pressure come out of it.